Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If War Thunder is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC with Xbox Game Pass, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open your Xbox app. Locate War Thunder. Click on the three dots and select Manage. Go to the Files tab. Click on Check for updates to make sure you have the latest version. If the issue continues, click on Verify and Repair. This will reset War Thunder to its original files. Warning: mod files or unsaved data may be lost. Confirm with Yes, and wait for the process to finish. Still not working? Do this. Open your Start menu, then go to Settings. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Find War Thunder and click on the three dots to open its options. Select Advanced Options. Under Reset, first press Repair. This keeps your data. If that fails, press Reset. This deletes app data. Finally, if nothing works, press Uninstall and reinstall War Thunder from the Xbox app. This step ensures that corrupted or missing files are fixed, and if necessary, gives you a fresh reinstall. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update to finish. Solution 3. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Install the latest driver update available. Solution 4. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables. Open the link in the video description. Download VCRedist x86 and VCRedist x64. Run VCRedist x64. Click Yes, accept the terms. Click Install and Close. Do not restart yet. Do the same with VCRedist x86. Once finished, restart your PC and launch the game. And that's it. One of these solutions should help you fix War Thunder not launching or crashing on Xbox Game Pass for PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.